everybody, welcome to DC 9111 0x04 Safe Mode CTF presented by DEFCON Delhi Group. Hope you are as excited as we are, and let's start with what do we have this year for you. So starting off with we hope that you know all the rules and regulations, but again we would love to talk about it yet another time. So yeah, the flag should be submitted in the example format, that is DC underscore 9111 with the curly braces with the flag in between, and the dot or the period symbol you will have to skip it, ignore it, because if you are playing the CTF, we feel that you have already played a lot of CTFs already. So CTF is again individual competitor based, no teams are allowed whatsoever. DDoS attacks are prohibited, and competitors found indulging in any such activities will be banned with immediate effect. So please make sure that you are not indulged in any such activities. Your IP will be banned like immediately. So please make sure not to do that. No competitors are supposed to share flags or participate in collaborating with each other. And if you are found to do so, you know what will happen. Yet again, banned. While communicating on the Discord server, please make sure that you are humble to the CTF masters or the fellow CTF players, because no such other activities that involved some sort of discrimination based on color, caste, religion, region, or anything will be tolerated at all. Please read the FAQs and code of conduct on our official website. The URL is www.defcon9111.org/FAQ and COC, that is code of conduct. Up next, posting write-ups before the end of CTF is prohibited, and we sincerely hope that you will not do so. Violation of any rules while communicating will lead to warnings followed by deletion of concerned messages. If you are found repeating the violations or the warnings, it will lead to removal from the server and ban from CTF platform itself. And the decision of DEFCON Delhi Group administration is final in case there is any sort of dispute between the CTF, or you feel that judgment is not up to the mark or anything like that. So please make sure that the decision of the team is final. And finally, read all the rules yet another time. If you have any sort of misconceptions regarding the rules, you can go on and check on the Discord server as well. Rules are specified over there as well as on the website. And I would like to thank to our sponsors, Pentester Lab and Cyber Explore, these two amazing companies. Thank you both for sponsoring the CTF for us, and the prizes will be given to the CTF players accordingly, alongside some cash prize and all. So yeah, this is what we have for this year's CTF. And again, if you have any posts to make or any sort of social media stuff to do, these are the hashtags that you are supposed to follow. That is DC underscore 9111, hashtag defcon underscore 9111, and hashtag defcon Delhi. None other than these hashtags will help us reach you out in case any social media posts are being made by you. And this is it from our side. Happy hacking. Let the game begin.